Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best lead test kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any home cook or parent concerned about the safety of their family's meals, especially when using vintage or potentially older dishware that might contain lead-based glazes. This simple yet powerful device can detect the presence of lead in your plates, cups, and cookware, giving you peace of mind and helping you make informed decisions about what you and your loved ones consume daily. Number 5. AAwipes Lead Test Swab Kit. Introducing the AAwipes Lead Test Swab Kit, your reliable solution for quick and easy lead detection at home. Get accurate results in just 30 seconds. Each box comes with 60 swabs, offering a cost-effective and valuable solution for all your testing needs. They have a shelf life of 2 years. No more waiting. Our highly sensitive swabs provide instant results in under 30 seconds. Simply dip the swab in water and it's ready to use. Using it is incredibly simple. Wet the tip, shake off excess liquid, and rub the painted surface for 30 seconds. No white vinegar is needed. Interpreting the results is straightforward. Compare the swab's color to the reference chart. A red or purple color indicates lead, while yellow means no lead detected. These swabs are versatile and can be used on various surfaces including pottery, jewelry, woodwork, and antiques. Test with confidence on multiple materials. What we like? This option offers a generous 60 swabs, making it a fantastic value for extensive testing. It provides rapid 30-second results and simplifies the process by not requiring vinegar. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution for testing many items quickly and easily, this is a great choice. What people say. This kit is very easy to use and provides clear results. The test strips are sensitive and accurately detect lead. It's a great way to ensure your dishes are lead-free. Number 4. Easy at Home Lead Test Kit. Introducing the Easy at Home Lead Test Kit, your simple solution for detecting lead in your home. It provides rapid screening for various surfaces, giving you peace of mind. This kit is designed to test many household surfaces. You can safely screen painted walls, furniture, cabinets, toys, dishes, and even areas around plumbing. Get clear, easy-to-read results in just 30 seconds. A simple color change indicates the presence of soluble surface lead, without the need for harsh chemicals. While it doesn't test water, it's great for checking exposed surfaces near plumbing, like older pipes and fixtures. It's also effective for detecting lead dust on windowsills. For painted surfaces, ensure you score or scrape through all top coats to reach the underlying layers. This ensures an accurate reading for painted walls, cabinets, and toys. A negative test means no leachable surface lead was detected at the tested spot. Remember, this tests surface available lead and does not guarantee the item is lead-free internally. What we like? This kit is designed to test a very broad range of household surfaces, including those that might be tricky for others. It uses a vinegar activator for high sensitivity and is also great for screening plumbing and dust. If you need to test diverse materials and want a thorough screening, this is the one to consider. What people say. This kit is very easy to use and provides clear results. The test strips are sensitive and accurately detect lead. It comes with multiple test strips, allowing for several uses. Number 3. AAwipes Lead Test Kit, LSB20. Introducing the AAwipes Lead Test Kit, your solution for quick and reliable lead detection. Get results in just 20 seconds, right in your home. Testing for lead has never been easier. Simply use tap water with a swab, no need for vinegar. Wet the tip, rub the surface, and observe the color change. Interpreting the results is straightforward. Compare the swab's color to the reference guide to determine if lead is present. A color change to red, purple, or pink indicates lead. These versatile swabs are perfect for testing various surfaces around your home, including painted walls, ceramics, and wood. Ensure a safer environment with confidence. Once you're done, disposal is simple and safe. The non-toxic swabs can be thrown away with regular trash. The kit comes in a resealable bag for easy storage. This kit includes 20 individually sealed test swabs, offering an economical way to check for lead. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution for home safety. What we like? Get results even faster with this option, offering a 20-second turnaround time. It comes in a convenient 20-count pack and, like the first, uses only water, making it incredibly simple to use. If speed and ease of use are your top priorities, especially for quick checks, this kit is ideal. What people say. The kit is easy to use and provides clear results. It accurately detects lead on dishes and other food contact surfaces. The test results are available quickly, allowing for prompt action if lead is detected. Number 2. AssuTest Lead Test Kit. Get fast and reliable results in just 30 seconds with our advanced lead test kit. Its high sensitivity detects lead on most household surfaces, indicated by a simple color change. Eliminate guesswork with our easy-to-understand color system. A mustard yellow baseline ensures you can accurately identify safe items, avoiding frustrating false positives. This comprehensive kit is perfect for testing a wide range of items. From dishes and toys to jewelry and furniture, it helps you make informed decisions about your belongings. Each bottle contains 30 swabs, offering a cost-effective solution for testing your entire home. They are designed for longevity with a 2-year shelf life. Operating this kit is straightforward, simply moisten, shake, and rub. It's designed for easy adult use without the need for complex equipment, ensuring safety during testing. What we like. This kit boasts a highly reliable color-coded system with a clear mustard yellow baseline, designed to eliminate confusing results. It's suitable for a wide array of home applications, from dishes to toys and metal. If you prioritize accuracy and easy interpretation of results, this is an excellent choice for peace of mind. What people say. This kit is very easy to use and provides clear results. It accurately detects lead on dishes, which is great for peace of mind. The test strips are sensitive and give a quick indication of lead presence. Number 1. NewPos Lead Test Kit. Introducing the NewPos Lead Test Kit, designed for rapid and precise lead detection. Get reliable results in just 30 seconds. Our lab specializes in creating the most effective lead test kits. Through extensive research and over 1,000 experiments, we've perfected our chemical formulations for enhanced accuracy. For the most accurate readings, our test swabs are activated with vinegar, not water. Simply dip the swab in household vinegar before testing for superior precision. Dip the swab in white vinegar, then rub it on the surface you wish to test for 30 seconds. A color change to red, purple, or pink indicates lead, while yellow means it's lead-free. This kit is suitable for a wide range of surfaces including dishes, toys, and ceramics. Please exercise caution on valuable or antique items as vinegar is acidic. We stand behind every test strip we produce. If you encounter any issues with your lead detection kit, please contact us for prompt assistance. What we like. This kit highlights its upgraded chemical formulation, developed through extensive research for optimal accuracy. It specifically uses a vinegar activator, which it claims is more accurate than water-based tests. If you are seeking the highest possible accuracy and are comfortable using vinegar, this kit is engineered for precise lead detection. What people say. This kit is a great way to test your dishes for lead. It is easy to use and provides accurate results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.